Welcome to the channel. Anyone who follows this channel already knows where I stand and what ideas I believe in, ideas I'm genuinely committed to. In my videos about the hypocrisy of open source YouTubers and in the one asking, has open source failed? I've always clearly expressed my positions. That's why I thought my decision to donate part of the channel's revenue to open source would be obvious, something natural, decided long before making those videos. For me, it was always just a given. I would make the donations quietly, without feeling the need to announce them publicly. But since I've taken a clear stance, I now feel it's right to publicly demonstrate the consistency between what I say and what I actually do. And to be honest, I hadn't really considered the fact that even a simple YouTube channel is itself a community, a meeting point, a place for sharing not just my ideas, opinions, news, and projects, but also yours, through the comments. So instead of getting caught up in controversy about what others are doing or not doing, I want to focus more on what we are building here. And here, we support open source, not just as access to code, but as a vision, a collaborative vision of the digital and tech community based on transparency, respect, and support. I have a day job, I do this for fun, and I'll probably even pay tax on the donations themselves. Honestly, the idea of earning anything from something as fun as this channel is a real pleasure. But I don't feel like this money is only mine, as if it were just the result of my own individual effort. It's also thanks to the fact that I use free and open source tools. I talk about free software, and all my graphics are made from screenshots and video recordings of Linux distros or free software. I don't feel separate from that world. As a content creator, I feel like I'm part of it, and I feel the need to give something back, even if it's never enough compared to what I've received over more than 20 years. With that said, let me thank you sincerely. It's thanks to you that I've made it this far, and especially thanks to you that I've managed to turn something that started as pure fun into something more. I believe this gesture, giving back a part of these earnings to open source, is also the most concrete and genuine way to repay the trust you've given me. That's why I thought it would be even better if you were the ones to choose who receives the donation, because in the end, that money is also yours. So I've launched a poll in the community section. I invite you to vote and help decide which project should get the monthly donation. I've picked 4 solid projects, not huge but not tiny, that are useful to many people and need support. $50 a month, because that's roughly the amount, can actually make a difference. If you don't like the choices, that's fine. Just don't vote. Let's avoid pointless drama. I'll keep you updated on the monthly donations in the community section, posting screenshots as proof. And if anyone still has doubts, just write to me privately. I'll send you any proof you need, or you can contact the project we choose to support directly. There's no talk here, just facts. Thanks again, truly. That's all for now. See you next time, and as always, thank you for your support.